Hi, my name is Kristin Devereaux, and I am the founder here at Borderless, and I'm interviewing Santhosh, and he is the founder of Triage. And if you can introduce yourself a little bit and let us know a little bit about yourself.
Hey, hi, Christine, and hi,
Hi.
everyone. So it's nice to meet you. And this is Santhosh. Currently, I'm working as a data engineer too, and I'm really passionate towards the AI, and really want to build something that makes everyone's life easier every day. So
Great,
yeah,
great,
that's the reason I'm working on Triage AI, and yeah.
great. What first inspired you to build this AI Triage?
So I have observed a lot from my fellow colleagues and everyone. So the legal tech space was full on pure LLM tools. So the most important thing I have observed is that there are hallucination risks everywhere.
Okay,
So you couldn't trust what they are flagged. So that's the reason I wanted to build something actually defensible, a system where every risk finding is traceable to a specific rule. So no chance for guessing, right? Yeah.
great. Um, can you walk us through at a high level how triage works, what the user sees, and what happens behind the scenes?
This is the tool, and it is pretty much straightforward. Everything is very detailed so that it is very easy to understand, and including how it works section where we see the deterministic engines and the LLM explanations, and also the review report. Uh, and so let me run a mock file so that it should be able to return all the identified issues in that. Let's test it with one of our list document. And here is the results page, where it says all the executive summary of the PDF and all the detected risks, including the clauses as well, and why these may matter section, and also the commonly negotiated section for each one of the detected risks. Uh, so right here, and a short analysis, and we can download the file, and right here is the report. Everything is very detailed explained to the user so that it may help him with the solution, most possible solutions. Thank you. Yeah, sure. So it pretty much is a lightweight tool, Christine.
Okay.
So it can be usable by everyone, almost for every non-tech person as well. So it's pretty much simple. So the user uploads a PDF or a contract or any kind of document. So as soon as the upload is completed, so a deterministic rule engine scans it using rejects and proximity patterns, and there is no involved AI involved at this point for detection. So, and these findings are passed to a constrained LLM. So that explains why each risk matters in plain English. So the key point is that the all thing the AI does here is explanation.
Okay.
It doesn't flag anything, so it's purely works on the deterministic engine. So, and right after that, the result page shows all the risks involved in the contract, and including the clause numbers. so that they can review with a legal expert, or it's up to them.
Okay. Um, what specific challenges does an AI assisted triage system help solve compared to traditional manual workflows?
So, for example, I have seen a lot of founders and small teams, but either paying $500 to $2,000 per contract review. So, which is not needed always, right? So, I have seen a gap where this triage fits. So, let's say a founder is going to sign a NDA or some other legal document, he needs to review it. He don't know what the legal side of that contract, right? So he just uploads the uses our tool just to that he understand what exactly is going on in the contract. So if any issue the founder notices, he simply then he consults his legal team to further make sure like everything is all right within the contract, so that it's good to sign.
Okay. What stack did you choose for the Triage web app, and what influenced your choices?
So I always wanted this to be a very lightweight, Christian, so that it's simple for everyone to use it, easier to adapt. So the core tech is like I use Fast API for backend, and Ginger to templates, and Stripe for payments, and OpenAI for explanations, and pretty much the Python logic for deterministic rule engine. So, and it is deployed on Vercel. So it's pretty much lightweight, and it works across any servers. And the key thing is like I've chosen speed and serverless scalability. So yeah, that's pretty much minimal architecture.
Okay. Um, what were your biggest hurdles in the natural language or semantic analysis, especially given varied issue descriptions?
Yes. So the challenging part was that some of the clauses were very hard to write in programming. So for example, the indemnification clause. So a lot of LLMs get wrong with that part. So I have spoken to a lot of legal experts for this, try to understand that, and so that really helped me to understand the core of that clause, and yeah, trying to replicate that in the tool as well.
Right. How do you prevent false positives or misclassifications of bugs in feature request?
So yeah, so that's the whole point of triage. So there is no room for false positives, because in legal this is simply not acceptable, right? In legal space. So the thing is like every rule that we pass is a deterministic rule. So it's pretty much a human. Uh, written by human. So there is no chance for error.
Okay.
So the engine simply passes the text using this engine. So there's no room. There is no. I don't see any reason it gets misused or something like that.
Okay. Um, have any open source maintainers tried Triage yet, and what feedback have you heard from real users?
Yes. So far I have like 12 paying customers, and also got great reviews from them. So a lot of them were pretty much impressed about the simple execution that this tool provides, without any complex features or something like that. It is pretty much straightforward. So, and I also so a lot of them were requesting like a few feature updates, like so anyone can update their own deterministic engine, like by simply pausing the clauses. So that is the next big step regarding triage that I'm currently working on.
Okay.
So yeah.
Do you collect metrics on how your suggestions impact issue resolution time, backlog size, or contributor satisfaction?
I'm sorry, Christine. Can you please repeat that?
Do you collect any metrics on how your system works to give you?
Yes. Yes. So yeah, I have done a lot of testing. I mean, so because I have uploaded all kinds of documents within the tool. So just to, all of them are predetermined test. So we exactly know how that tool performs if I upload the document. And let's say I have included a document with medium risks. Uh, this tool should exactly flag all of them because that's what in written in the code.
How do you handle user customization? Like different projects might want different things from triage.
Yes, so we collect regular feedbacks from users, Christian. So that's the key part because ultimately we are building this for users who require it, right?
Okay.
So I believe it is my responsibility to include whatever they need. So.
Okay. What measures are in place to avoid harmful suggestions from AI?
So the LLM is completely constrained, Christian. So no data is given to LLM. So all the thing the AI does within this tool is like it simply translates. It simply translates into English. So that's the only thing it does, and it has no room in decision making.
Okay.
So yeah, that's the core idea of this tool.
Okay. What's next for triage? Are you planning new features, like deeper integrations? And how much more advanced for automation do
Yes.
you see yourself going?
So yeah, as I said, my next plan is to implement customized rule engine so that users can implement their own rules within the deterministic engine. So simply they need to pass the clauses or rules, and the tool itself writes code and implement it. That is a deeper customization I am planning to execute.
Okay. Do you envision triage becoming a widely used tool across open source communities or within just enterprise engineering teams?
I believe contributing to open source is my ultimate goal, Christian. So because so there are a lot of research going on this space, and so I have seen a lot of research papers, and there is a need for this tool. So that's a greater good there, right? So yeah, I believe that's my next plan.
Okay. Um, what was the most surprising technical challenge you faced when building this system?
Yeah, the main challenge was like how much legal language varies while meaning the same thing. So, like transfers, full ownership, etc. They seem, some other phrases like assigns, all right, uh, title and interest. These definitions are too vague in plain English, and so it is very hard to write that in programming languages. So yeah, building regex is very complex thing, right? Yeah.
Right. Um, if you could go back and redesign one part of the system, what would it be and why?
I believe I'll go with the suppression layer.
Okay,
So it's currently hard-coded rules. I'd make it a first-class configurable layer, as I said, with its own versioning and testing frameworks from day one. So rather than retrofitting it later.
great. Um, for developers looking to build tools that use AI to improve developer workflows, what advice would you give them, being that you are the creator of Triage?
So I would say separate detection from generation. So because I would never let an LLM to be source of truth for factual claims, because it is proven fact that LLMs always lead to hallucination, especially in the legal space. So I believe determinism first, AI second. So yeah, users trust tools they can verify, right? So that's the whole point.
Okay. Um, what motivated you most about building tools for open source communities?
Uh, so I would say lot of the open source contributions are the backbone of current MNCs or a lot of inventions. So it shouldn't be taken lightly. So because if you have a really good project, uh, you should be open to contribute to the community as well. So
Okay.
that yeah, the whole idea is greater good.
Right. How has working on this project influenced your approach to problem solving and engineering?
A lot. I mean, I have improved a lot because I have thought this project is very lightweight and very easy, to be honest. Because in simple words, it's nothing but a determination layer and a AI, I mean, open API to just translate that. So, but when I start working, I mean, start implementation, so there are a lot of components that I cannot ignore. For example, I shouldn't be exposing user privacy to AI. So there we implemented the privacy layers and be thorough in the rules so that there should be no room for errors. So yeah, I mean, as a developer, I have improved a lot,
Right.
and yeah.
Um, so where do you want to take your work next? Either with Triage, or are you working on another project, or
So currently, my main focus is Triage, Christian. I do
okay.
have some side projects, but I'm really committed to Triage.
Okay. Um, is there anything else that you'd want to share? Or, I mean, that's all the questions I have for today.
Nothing much, Christian. I think that's a great set of questions you have.
Okay.
I mean,
Yeah, I gonna have to ask some question. How would you feel with the same AI that same like same platform that you have? Are you see anything different between you and another peer or another or AI developer who do the same exactly industry as a competition as well? Do you think how you put the position of competition of your right now?
Yeah, that's a nice question, Elizabeth. So the thing is, so this is pretty much new space, especially because the researchers, I mean, lot of research regarding the hallucination AI is still going on. So there is no proper fix to that. So like, I mean, lot of experts, even they are aligned to determinism. So there are not many tools regarding, I mean, in especially in this space. So yeah, I believe like this can be a pioneer.
Yeah. And another question you mentioned early on before we start talking really seriously about this platform, you mentioned that you already have your user. So I want
Mhm.
to hear how your user like give you any feedback about your platform this day.
Yes. So the main thing they were happy about is like the speed of the tool because it doesn't take forever to render the files or PDFs or so it is pretty straightforward. So you can see the results as soon as you upload within just a click. And apart from that, the impact it creates, they were pretty much impressed by it because the rule engine is pretty much descriptive. Like I try to include as many rules as possible, and I have also got feedback from a couple of users. I mean, they are asking me to add rules. Some more rules, so yeah, I'm actively collecting them, and yeah, I'm planning to ship along with the new features.
Yes.
Elizabeth.
And this is might not go direct to your platform, but I want to ask you how you feel like, using Museo to build your platform, how it's helped you a lot. with this platform, or you have been developed with some other, other hosting before? Can you give us a little bit about example about competition with using Moselle?
Yes. So I have also worked on a couple of other projects, Elspeth. So and I also am currently working on my research papers as well.
Mm.
So this tool is quite special for me. I mean, for many reasons, especially the novelty. This con. I mean, this concept is pretty much in. It's still in trial and error phase. So no one has really implemented this exact concept. Uh, yeah, I'm so happy that this worked well, and yeah, I mean, there's still way ahead, a lot of journey to go together. Yeah.
Yes, I let Christine and the coach close this conversation, but thank you for joining us today.
Um, I really appreciate having a chance to talk to you. It was an honor learning about your system. I can't wait to check it out myself. Um, that's all I've got.
Yep. Thanks, Christian. Thank you so much for
Thank
your time.
you. Thank you.